You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word in English. This is also the name of a Pokemon. If you want to learn more Pokemon names, make sure to stay tuned. Pronounced Mew. It's normally how it is pronounced. Mew. As a name, as a Pokemon, it can also be pronounced as Moo, but it's generally Mew. How to pronounce Mew. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.